It's actually insane to think I am filming intro outro with no eyes. Hey guys, BRATTTALIE here, and welcome back to my channel. I should say Miss Sara Bellum. Actually, it's not BRATTALIE, it's Miss Sara Bellum, because the way I snatched her whole personality, her whole identity with this look, yep, it's giving. I might just walk around like this in general. Aside from the fact that we border cousin Itville, which during this season is not necessarily a bad thing, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look. I can't talk anymore because the fact that I can't see is giving me anxiety. So without further ado, let's get into today's BRATTTALIE costume. But before we do that, please be sure that you're subscribed to me. Scroll down, smash the subscribe button, join the BRATTTALIE gang, 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 and let's get into today's video. So let's just get into it. Face is gonna be the same, but actually, you know what we have to start with? The wig, because that's gonna set the tone. If the wig is gonna be terrible, the whole thing's canceled. So let's just get into that. This is the Shein wig. I haven't tried it on. I just took it out of the plastic. So I was like, okay, let's get it. I was scared, but the color is great. The closure, the inside, honestly, it's not bad, and it's just for the look, so it's not gonna be bad, guys. It's the first I have to do. I'm like, I'm not putting on a lick of makeup. The makeup's the easiest part. The outfit I did try on, it fits. So this is like the missing link right here, and it's gonna need styling. So this part of the video, well, a lot of this video is gonna be quiet. I think that especially as I'm trying to knock out so many looks, it's voiceover days. Like, it's just what it is. Cause I ain't got time to be talking. I talk too much. This is looking like a mullet though. That's my last comment before I fix it. I'm scared. Okay, where's the front? Okay, this is all giving front. Oh. I shouldn't have picked this as my first wig to finesse, but I have. So here we are. Okay, wait. I just can't see. I don't know how Miss Bellum looks like this, like lives her life like this. What is her name? Miss Sara Bellum. Like the brain? Sara Bellum? Because she's so smart. She's smarter than the mayor? By George, I think I got it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I just didn't want it to be as flat as it was. And over time, I think it's just gonna matte and afro even more. So now let's do face. I'm pretty happy with the wig. I'm literally gonna just do my makeup and come back, because does it really matter? No. This is literally all I've done. Because, like, what more do I need to do? And because I'm filming another costume after this, I'm like, there's no point in making my eyes crazy, because I could reuse this base. So we're stopping here. For lips, I wanna do something sexy, but I don't know what. Where's my, you know what, actually, I just might know what. Black lip liner or eyeliner and brown lip liner, red lipstick. Let's go. This way it comes across as like a deep brown rather than like a black or a brown. None of the brown is too soft, black is too harsh. This is a good way to line a red lip. Nice. Okay, and then the red is Boy Collector. I look so crazy, wow. But I need to see Boy Collector from Huda Beauty. Oh my god, I need to put this wig down because this is not selling the fantasy with my, I look like a clown with my eyes out. Like, I don't have the jaw for this Miss Bellum. This is giving man. I didn't think about this. Okay, let me get dressed because the body's gonna help. The set I'm wearing is from Shein and it's all like one set. I didn't have to order anything else. It all came together. I will link it down below. It's actually crazy for me to talk to y'all and not like see my eyes. I think I also might need an eyeliner, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Miss Sara Bellum should not be doing this manual labor, but whatever. So this is the full outfit. Before I move my chair, I forgot. I only showed it on TikTok. I'm wearing a, oh my god, I almost fell. I'm wearing a black heel because I don't have a red one, but I feel like it's a nice business casual office shoe. So that's why we're here. Honestly, the outfit really makes itself. The belt is mine from ASOS, but the 3-piece set came from Shein. And honestly, I didn't even think about adding a black belt till I realized she had one. Like, when I had bought the outfit, I didn't even think about it. I was just like, oh, I have the whole outfit. Thought not. Thought again. So this is basically perfect. I just threw the sunglasses on because it kind of helps the hair stay in like one spot. Like sitting here talking, it's not that bad. But as you go about life, the hair has a mind of its own, which is very natural and very fine. But guys, when I tell you I can't see, I can't see. This is probably the most comfortable it's been. Like, I was filming TikToks and my eyes were like strands of hair were getting in my eyes. Like, I was super uncomfortable, but this is great. Like this, tell me I don't look like Miss Sara Bellum, Mr. Mayor. Like, oh, I'm quite obsessed. This came out really good. I know it's been done, but I appreciate my mind and the way that I did it, because as much as we want to think that Miss Sara Bellum had an afro, this is probably more her texture. And honestly, to find a ginger wig in like 4B, 4A, 3C texture is like insane of an ask. This is more manageable and I can actually repurpose this for multiple things. So I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. And also, yeah, the top of the wig is not that cute and it kind of helps like me not look like Cousin It with the sunglasses. Like, I feel like it's just too much up top. Like, just like give me some sort of dimension, please. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this costume. This one's super cute. I might save this one for last. I thought I was gonna do one thing for my last costume, but this one feels like it really takes the cake, so this one might be my last costume. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you liked today's BRATTTALIE costume. I feel like this is giving season finale, so I'm gonna also close it out as if it's a season finale. Thank you guys so much for keeping up with me this BRATTTALIE. If you did like this or found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today, anything at all. Leave that in the comments down below, and as always, subscribe to me. Scroll down, smash the subscribe button, join the BRATTTALIE gang, 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 gang. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.